Hi, it's me, Angharad from Angharads Life, and today in this video we'll be unboxing March's Sugar Noms box. I'm really excited for this, you, Mum.
I really am. It'd be lovely to know what there is inside.
You see what's inside?
Ooh, okay.
Here you go.
Postcard with different rainbow effects. Oh, we haven't had these for a long time. Rainbow drops.
Oh!
Ooh, celebrate.
Ooh! You see what's inside?
I think that's a great idea.
Oh!
Oh, it's lovely. Strawberry sundae, a pin badge.
That one?
Ooh, some Sugar Noms sweets. Eat the rainbow, say.
Ooh! Rainbow theme this month, Mum?
I think it is.
Ooh!
Ooh, some Skittles. Tropical flavour. We haven't tried them before.
No! Ooh!
Oh, a nice rainbow candy cane. Oh, some more Sugar Noms sweets. Lovely, lots of lovely colours. Very nice.
What's that, Mum?
Oh, this. It's a keyring.
Ooh!
From Binky Boo Crafting. Create whatever causes a revolution in your heart.
That's lovely, isn't it, Mum?
It really is lovely. Oh, you love these. Rocket chips.
I do love them.
Sweet sriracha chili lentil chips.
That one?
Ooh, some Mentos.
Ooh.
Rainbow.
Think of that, listen to Mum.
That's it.
You try something?
I think that's a great idea. What do you want to try?
Ooh. I'm not sure, Mum. Can you choose?
I think I might like to try one of the Sugar Noms Eat the Rainbow.
Oh, yes, please. Oh, it smells so good, doesn't
It
it?
does when I open the package. It's a lovely smell.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Oh, they're really tasty, aren't they?
They are.
Nice and fruity.
They're lovely and fruity.
Not too chewy as well.
Not too bad for your brace, is it?
Mmm.
Mmm.
Mmm. And I love the centre too. It's a little bit sour, isn't it?
Really lovely.
Mmm. Today I thought it'd be lovely to have some of the rainbow drops and a couple of the Sugar Noms mixed sweets. So I can rainbow drops first, Mum.
That's a great idea. I've had them for ages.
Here you go, Mum.
Thank you. Nice pink one there.
A lovely taste. They're really lovely, aren't they, Mum?
They are.
I love rainbow drops. It's so nice as well. We haven't had them for so long too.
Nice treat, isn't it? Yep. The green one then. You've got an orange one now.
Oh, smells lovely in there. Would you like one? Here you go, Mum. What have you got?
There we go.
Ooh, what am I going to get?
Like what I had, but a different colour. Mmm. Mmm.
They're really delicious, aren't they?
They are really, really fruity.
A bit sour too. Mine was.
A bit of a sour taste, but nice and fruity as well.
Definitely.
Want to pick me another one? Well, thank you. Nice and green. Same colour as me.
Mmm.
Really lovely and tasty.
Mm. I can taste watermelon. Can you, Mum?
I was waiting for you to say that.
Mm.
Lovely taste. We love watermelon. Well, now you could try the proper chips. The sweet sriracha chili lentil chips.
Yes, please. Oh, I love the smell, do you, Mum?
The smell was amazing when I opened them. We have had this flavour before, haven't we? But not for a while.
Not for a while, no. Mmm.
Mmm. Wow.
I love the taste of sriracha.
As good as how I remember them. I think I have another. Oh, you're already having another one, are you? Should we finish them off and then maybe try something else?
Yes, please.
Well, now you could try one of the rainbow Mentos. I
Ooh,
have opened
yes,
them.
please. Thank you. They smell amazing, don't they?
They really do. It's a yellow one.
Here you go, Mum.
Thank you.
Mmm.
Got a yellow one as well.
Ooh. They taste absolutely incredible, lovely and fruity, don't they?
They really do. It's such a lovely fruity taste. I think I better have another one.
What's the next colour?
Oh, you've got a purple one there.
Oh, should we finish this first and then try purple?
I think that's a great idea. Ciao.
Here's the purple one. And I love the aftertaste so much from the other one, do you, Mum?
I do. I've got a purple one as well.
Ooh.
It's nice that we've got the same flavours, isn't it? Oh, wow. This is really good.
Really lovely and fruity as well.
So look out for these again, won't we? Wow. Really lovely and fruity.
I thought I'd try the rainbow cane and my mum could try one of the Skittles because I can't have them with my braces.
That's right. So I thought I'd have one of the tropical Skittles.
Got them, Mum?
I have.
Brilliant.
Ooh, Skittles really lovely, really fruity.
That's lovely to know, and this is lovely and fruity as well.
That's really good. I'm glad that's nice and fruity.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have tried any of the vegan treats from this month's Sugar Noms box.
That'd be amazing. It's always lovely to know if we've tried something, if anyone else has tried it as well, isn't it?
Or if you haven't tried anything, we'd love to know what would you like to try.
That's a good question.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care!